So today, guys, we're gonna make a strawberry jalapeno pepper jelly. It's one of my favorites. I'm gonna show you how to make a smaller recipe today. You can double it, triple it, whatever you need. I don't know about you, but my jalapeno plants are exploding, so this is a great way for me to use them. We've got our stock pot over here. It's over on medium. We've got 10 ounces of frozen strawberries. We're gonna put them in frozen. We're gonna let those start to thaw, and as they start to thaw, then we'll start to mash them up. It's gonna take probably 5 to 10 minutes for that process. I like to leave it a little chunky. If you like yours more mixed, then you can mix it up in more than that. So however you like it. I'm gonna take 3/4 of a cup of just plain sugar, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. This is gonna help everything sit together and lower the pH of our dish. And then we're gonna take 2 medium-sized jalapenos that are diced up. We left some of the membranes in there so it'd have a little bit of heat, but just took the seeds out. We're gonna mix all that together until the sugar is nice and mixed up. Now this is a dish we're gonna stir a lot. We're gonna bring it to a low simmer, and we're gonna let it simmer for 25 to 30 minutes or until the temperature of our mixture gets to be 220 degrees, because that'll allow it to set up right and means everything is kind of gelled together. So 25-30 minutes, you'll just have to gauge that. We'll be back. Okay, so now it's time to can our strawberry pepper jelly. I'm using a funnel today. If you don't have a funnel at your house, pour it into like a measuring cup and use that to put it in there. You can ladle it in too, but the times I've done that, I've made a real big mess. I'm going to pour this in. I wasn't 100% sure if I'd need to, probably not, but I just wanted to make sure. Oh, this is so much nicer than making the big mess that I made last time I did this. Set this here. I'm gonna go ahead and put the lid on while it's still nice and hot. I'm gonna leave this setting on the counter. In a little bit, you'll hear this thunk sound, and this lid will no longer make that sound. That means it's sealed. You can leave this in your pantry for a couple of weeks, or you can keep it in your refrigerator for, I would say, 6 to 8 weeks. But really and truly, it won't be around that long, not at least in my household. I'm gonna also make some berry pepper jelly. So the nice part is use the same recipe with lots of different fruits. I'm gonna do like a blueberry, blackberry, raspberry pepper jelly here next. So let me know what you think if you try it.